So here's something that you need to do is grab a screwdriver to take this side out. And actually I had to break this side, not break it, but start it with a pair of pliers. So now that it's all undone, should be able to just pop that right out, unless this one isn't all the way, which I don't think it is. There we go. So yeah, that's just the computer for the monitor. So now I think everything should come out, I believe. We'll see. Yep, there it comes. So I think I might want to just take this wire out and maybe even take this one out just from a holder that it's in there, just so I can open this up. I'm not sure if I have to take this one out. I might.